Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4Shop. Today I want to show you our new style 12.3 inch Android screen that it comes with two panels, and also it redirects the air vents to the bottom of the screen, and it gives the look of newer Porsche units. So it comes with one piece on the left of the screen and the other piece on the right hand side. This specific car, basically the head unit was failed, and the customer decided to change it to our 12.3 inch Android screen. It retains all the camera functions. If you have backup camera, front camera, or if you have 360 camera, this is the original 360 camera, it retains it. And if you don't have camera, you can add backup camera to it too. The screen is fully touch. You can use the touch screen and it's super smooth. It has a digital cluster with the RPM. It has wireless Apple CarPlay. This is wirelessly from my phone. And also you can use the radio and all other functions. That's the steering wheel control, volume up, volume down, and you can install apps from Play Store, whatever apps you like. And these are the settings that you have it on the original screen for door lock settings and other settings, so you still can use those settings too. And these are the vents that they're redirected from the side of the screen to the bottom of the screen. If you're interested to get this type of units, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call at 905-604-4294, and one of our technicians will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you and have a great day.